Hello everyone! What's up guys? This is Kuddu and Muddu and you are watching our YouTube channel. Oh my Kuddu Muddu! Guys, in this video, we are going to explore very useful life hack that you may have never seen before. This is our first video, so we need a lot of love and support guys. Besides that, if you find any mistake or any suggestions, please don't forget to mention in the comment box given below. Now, without any further delay, let's start the video. Okay, you got a foil paper, you wrap the foil paper, or you make a wall, or you put in the middle of the pans. And this is the concept, guys. I think that if you want to go cook faster, you want to make rice boiled, and you want to make dal or your curry or your anything, make it hot together at the same time, you can do it. Yeah, right. Okay, no need to dip all the fries in the oil. Okay, good. And this is how you can make a kebab, or you can put some stuff inside the ball of the flour.
Yes.
Oh, very easy,
right,
very
guys.
fast. Yeah, so quick. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Here.
You're right.
Yeah. Okay, no need to struggle a lot. It's easy to cut. Yeah. Okay, if normally you cut the cake, you don't mix it, it will become something else. And now the way you mix it, it will become flat from the top, and that won't become like a blown and black. Okay, arrange your spice bottles in your bucket. Okay, very simple and elegant. That's perfect, guys. Oh my god, I'm hungry. Chicken nuggets. Very fast finish.
Me too.
Oh yeah. Okay. Last chicken nugget didn't get the sauce, so what you do, you put all the sauce on the nuggets and you mix it in the box, and here you go. You got all the chicken nuggets with sauce. I will eat all the chicken nuggets and then I will drink the sauce. Good idea to display your drink. Yeah, nice. What do you think, Muddu? Good. Good way to cut the egg.
Oh,
Bring out
wow.
egg yolk.
What is this?
Cut the tomato, a bundle of tomatoes in a one shot, guys. Wow.
Is it possible?
Very easy.
I don't think so.
Wow. We call it simple but elegant. Yeah. Okay. So this thing cannot stay on the top. Your net is small and your pan is big one, so you can use this way too. Yeah. Okay. Very easy, very fast as well. Okay.
Yes.
Good idea, yes. We'll do it. Trust me, I'm getting hungry, guys. Oh.
Don't talk like this.
Cut the onions, very easy, and chop them in smaller pieces in a one shot. Wow. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay. Yes. It's very fast.
Nice.
Okay, your tray is
doing?
very dirty, and you put some kind of material, and you put what is this, bro?
It's like a construction tool.
You have to buy all the tools, guys, if you want to apply these all gadgets. Okay. If you want to apply these all hacks. Okay, easy. But I think my Muddu can clean like this also, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, easy to make it. Wrapped. Here you go. You got banana.
I think you
cover
got
with
money
zip.
in that.
Okay. No need to.
First time I saw the egg can.
You can use any kind of cloth and you can rub it like this, and
I need some
can clean the
Coca-Cola
peanuts.
with that.
Wow.
Or Sprite, 7-Up.
Okay, good.
Oh,
Wow.
what
Easy.
do you mean?
Easy and fast, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay. Yeah.
So, another construction
Bro,
tool, cleaning tool.
in our
vacuum.
country, electricity is very expensive. By the way, this is the hack. Easy and fast. Okay. You don't need to waste all this.
Yeah, no need to bring out all
the
meat,
cake or cheese or whatever is it, the meat. Just divide it.
Yeah.
I always wonder how to cut the cabbage, guys, and here's the easy and simple way.
Yeah. This is
Wow.
yes.
That's
Appreciate
great.
Appreciate.
That's good. That's good.
Very easy meat.
I'm sure
yeah?
today all the kitchen workers will be happy after watching this video, guys. Okay. Yeah.
What is this?
Okay.
Cheese.
Peel the chicken for your baby boys or baby girls. Make it easy bone rice. Appreciate it. Yeah. Okay. No need to cut the coconut.
I want
Just
this injection.
bring out the water.
Yeah.
I think it will take more time than if you do with a knife or something else. But it's don't waste the skin of garlic.
Don't remove too much cover.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, why are you smiling? Nothing. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. What is she trying to do? Okay. She's trying to put some plastic bag on the box.
Okay. How to cut the corns?
She's genius. She or he?
Make it
I think
hard
he.
from the middle.
Maybe she. It's easy, bro. Just like
the
this.
breads. You want to turn it.
Oh,
Okay,
you
for
have to turn all
the
the
camera.
camera.
Okay.
But he did. Okay.
Good way to boil the egg without shells. Cut the oil from the middle and open like this. It will become
See, you make a beautiful
flower,
like a flower.
like
Yeah.
a valley or something.
Yeah.
Take each mountain one by one. Put some salt. Wow. Olives. Okay.
Oh my.
Easy,
Black
easy,
olives.
guys. Wow. Very easy and fast way to clean the garlic. Uncover the garlics. Okay. Guys, if you have this machine in your home, you can easily put some salt and clean the dishes. Okay. You just put the boiled water or oil and do it. Okay. He made the cheese in the bottle. He didn't put directly on the stuff. Okay. How? Your sandwich cannot stand. You can use the fork. Easy,
Slow.
easy. She's eating like Muddu. Yeah, Muddu.
No. Okay, we can fry the rice as well.
No need to put the rice in the oil directly. Put in the net and put it inside.
Yeah.
Okay, guys,
Popcorn.
easy and faster way to make the popcorns. My favorite dish while watching the movie, guys. And popcorn. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Enough. What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's making a plane or something?
And he is trying to make some kind of box to carry the food, maybe. Huh? Box? Let's see. Okay. I guess right, guys.
You are right.
Okay, you can fry in the French fries. Okay. No,
brother, I want
capsicum. Easy to clean, open, and remove the capsicum's cover. Okay.
This is cucumber, bro.
Cut from the middle cucumber.